Hello, hi, namaskar. I'm Rishabh Chatterjee, and after a really long time a video. So we just came for a short drive, so I'll let you all watch the drive till here. And if you find like the video, don't forget to hit on that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and press the bell icon and follow me on Instagram at @rcmediahouse. Now let's enjoy the drive.
No, my Mustang get no color. Yeah, my Mustang get no color. Together we are go feel that soul. Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh, yep, it's Friday, oh, just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again. Oh, yep, it's Friday, oh, just a free day. Oh, make the world go round, round, round again. My Mustang get no color. Yeah, my Mustang get no color. Together we are go feel that soul. Run the dance floor, make the world go round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again. Oh yeah, it's Friday, oh just a free day. Oh make the world go round, round, round again.
Drive till here. This is almost close to Kolar. So Kolar is around 50 kilometers from Bangalore. We haven't come all the way to Kolar, just before Kolar. So we came and stopped here nearby one lake, and you can also see that one mountain. So I had come here like 2 months back simply for a drive that time also. So this time also we stopped here only, like proper short drive but not too long also. One toll gate is there in between, and anyways always wearing mask in car also. So if you are interested in knowing which mask I am wearing, link will be in the description. Also if you are interested in any few accessories, car accessories that I think are important, I'll provide in the description. So yeah, let's enjoy the scenery little bit and we'll start back again after some time for Bangalore. Sunset time. So you can see behind me there sunset. You can't see properly on the camera, but yeah, enjoying short little bit drive. So you can see this is the lake that we saw and we thought we'll stop here. Car is on because for charging, anyways we don't drive that much nowadays, so it's just charging. So that's the mountain, that's the clue basically that this lake has arrived. So there's a long like service road that you can stop, and I actually stopped and came back, but you can actually stop there also if you want. But from here the view is nice, and that's the highway. So you can see the sunset. So nice sunset. So that's our car, and that's the sunset. So you can see behind me the lake view. This is what we saw and thought we'll stop here. So really nice, like sunset almost done. Almost sunset time only, but still you can see nice. Photos also will come nice because of the contrast. And you can see now, I'm also coming nicely. So that's the lake. And this is the way we came, straight. So down, if we go straight a little bit more, there's an underpass because I showed you that mountain, right? So just beside that, there's an underpass. So we take that underpass and go back towards Bangalore. It's around 1 hour drive from the Kyarpuram bridge, around 1 hour. And if you haven't liked this video yet, do like it. And some health safety essentials if you want to buy products like this mask and all, those links also will be in the description. And like the video after very long time a video. But anyways, chalo, we'll start with little bit short drive, then we'll see. Stay safe by the way, always wear mask. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates.
I was up and about, ready to go out, but then I thought, man, what's the point? There are roads filled blind, tears are running fast, still apathy is all I've got. And I know it's hard to keep up sometimes, and I know I just want to make things right. But as the sun goes down and shadows fill the town, give me a reason, I'm falling down underground, trapped in the prison, that's for supposed to be my year. You can see your reflection in every distraction. They'll make your worries disappear. And it is overwhelming. There's some things you can't pretend. Feelings boxed up rolling. The fight is getting nearer as the sun goes down and shadows fill the town. Give me a reason. vision.
1, 2, 3, drop.